A verb is a doing word that tells us something about a person or thing. Students, verb means the word that tell us something about a person or thing. It means the all doing words are known as verb. The verb are those words which denotes any action. So we can say that all action words are known as verb. Verb can be of three kinds: transitive, intransitive, and auxiliary. Transitive verb are those words which takes an object. Rohan flew a kite. Kite is an object here. She learned her lesson. Lesson object. Boys made much noise. Noise object. Now comes intransitive. It does not take an object after it. The sun shines. The wind blows. The girl danced. See, there is no object after the verb. Always remember that an adverb or adverb phrase is not a object. Object of the verb is always a noun, noun phrase, or equivalent to noun. That is a pronoun. Auxiliary verb, it helps the main verb to form a tense. There are two kinds of auxiliary verbs: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary be. Be means is, am, are, was, were, do, have, and their various forms. Did, have, has, had. Modal auxiliary can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, dare, need, ought to, and used to. Adverb. An adverb is a word which usually qualifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, adverb are those words which qualifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay, like the boy shouted loudly. Here the adverb loudly qualifies the verb shouted. Okay, it's an adverb and it qualifies the word shouted. These grapes are very sour. Adverb is very and it qualifies the word sour. They behave really badly. Really adverb and it qualifies the word badly. An adverb tells how, when, or where something happened, like quickly, now, here, etc. Adverb can be of nine kinds: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverbs of number or frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of denial or affirmation, adverbs of reason, interrogative adverb, or relative adverb. Now comes adverbs of time: ago, before, early, late, soon, now, then, daily, already, yesterday, never. Adverb of time. Adverb of place: here, there, in, out, above, below, inside, outside, far, near, backward, forward. Adverb of place. Adverb of degree: very, much, too, quite, almost, little, a little, half, partly, wholly, rather, somewhat. Adverb of degree. Adverb of number of frequency: once, twice, thrice, again, always, never, seldom, sometimes, frequently, firstly, secondly. Adverb of number. Now comes adverb of manner: thus, so, well, ill, hard, fast, slowly, sincerely, certainly. Adverb of manner. Adverbs of denial or affirmation: surely, certainly, yes, no, not, by all means, not at all. Adverbs of denial. Now comes adverbs of reason: therefore, has, consequently. Interrogative adverbs: when, what, where, why, how long, how much, how many, how far, how often. Relative adverbs: where, why, when. So students, these are nine kinds of adverbs. Now comes preposition. A preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show the place, position, time, or method relating to that noun or pronoun. Preposition means the word used before a noun or pronoun to show the place, position, time, or method relating to that noun or pronoun. See how. The book was on the table. On is a preposition. Our school opened at 9 o'clock. At preposition. She was standing behind a tree. Behind preposition. He cuts the rope with a sharp knife. With preposition. The noun or pronoun used after the preposition is known as the object of the preposition. So the table, on the table. The table is used after the preposition. It is the object of the preposition on. 9 o'clock is the object of the preposition at. Tree is the object of the preposition behind. Sharp knife is the object of the preposition with. Preposition is divided into three groups: simple, compound, and phrase. Simple: at, by, for, from, in, off, on, out, through, till, up, with. Compound: about, above, across, along, among, around, before, behind, below, beside, between, beyond, inside, into, outside, within, without, etc. Phrase instead of, in case of, by dint of, along with, away from, in spite of, in order to, in place of, in favor of, according to, in course of, on behalf of, in addition to, on account of, for the sake of, in comparison with. Some of the most used preposition are preposition of time, preposition of place or position, or preposition of moment. Preposition of time: at, on, in, until, since, for, before, often, during. These are preposition of time: at, on, in, under, behind, opposite, between, near, in front of. Preposition of place or position: up, down, over, through, along, across, into, off, out, off, into. Preposition of movement. So students, these are most usually used prepositions. Now comes conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunction are those words which join two phrases, two clauses, or sentences. It means it is a link between two sentences. These are of two kinds: coordinating and subordinating. Coordinating conjunction join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences of equal rank, like noun with the noun. Your brother or sister may come with you, or is a conjunction here. Verb with verb: we worked and played together. And conjunction. Adjective with adjective: he is sad but hopeful. But conjunction, and both the words are adjective. Adverb with adverb: he spoke loudly and angrily. Loudly and angrily. And conjunction, and both the words are adverb. Phrase with phrase: she is happy with you but angry with me. Phrase, and but conjunction. Sentence with sentence: he worked hard yet he failed. Sentence and sentence, yet conjunction. The chief coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, on, nor, yet, and so. Now comes subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions join a subordinate clause to a principal clause, like tell me where he lives, where conjunction. I don't think if he would pass, if conjunction. I know why he has come, by conjunction. I was away when Misha came here, when conjunction. He is the boy who beat my brother, who conjunction. The chief subordinating conjunction are after, because, if, that, how, although, till, before, unless, as, when, where, while. So students, conjunction are those words which joins two words, two phrases, two clauses, or sentence. It acts as a link between two words, two phrases, clauses, or sentences. Thank you.